problem with probate, frankly, the biggest problem with probate is not the cost, it's not the delay, it's the privacy. In every state, the will of the deceased, if it's going to go through probate, gets filed at the courthouse. It gets eventually reviewed by the judge. That's how the judge reads the will and interprets it. In some counties, especially the larger counties around the country, they are scanning their documents into a computer because it's too expensive to have paper records and to have clerks go and get the record and all that. All these documents filed at the courthouse are public records, which means anybody in the public can go get a copy of that. If they're on the internet, which is where a lot of these are, when somebody passes away, the will of the deceased ends up on the internet, not what a lot of people want. In addition to that, the probate inventory has to be filed. The probate inventory is a list of the deceased's property. Now, depending on the state that you live in, that may be a very extensive list, and in some states it's a little bit more truncated. Sometimes creditors are the only ones who get to see the inventory. In other states, like Texas, frankly, everybody can see the inventory. It lists how much the deceased had when the deceased passed away, what financial institutions those accounts were in, how much were in the accounts on the date of death, what the value of any real estate is, and the description of the real estate. Very invasive.